Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create blog on Wix. The first thing that you need to do is to log into your Wix, and now we can create our own website. So we can choose whether we do it with AI. Now if you do it with AI, you can just simply tell about the website that you want to make. For example, here I'm saying it is a blog website, and you just keep on doing that. And once we create our own website, it's time to design it. So you can pick a template or generate a design with AI. So if you choose the AI, it is automatically creates for you. So you just have to wait for your website to done using AI. Now once the AI is done designing your website, here is the complete version of your website. But if you want to make changes, you can freely edit that. Now I will teach you how to edit your website. So just simply click the edit site button. And then if you want to go back to dashboard, just click the side button and then click the my dashboard. And then there are some instances that you're on the all sites page. So if you want to edit your websites from there, you just simply click and edit your website right here. And then that's it guys. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.